it's Courtney again from Your House Fitness, and we're gonna go over how to do a fire hydrant, okay? Now, listen, I'm not exactly sure how it got its name, but you can use your imagination about what it looks like, as in dog peeing on a fire hydrant, okay? So hopefully that sticks with you and you never forget. All right, basically it's the same as a glute kickback or a donkey kick position. You're gonna get into all fours. This time I've added a band, so this is the lightest band that we offer, okay? Don't go crazy and start with the black band over here, okay? Start nice and light. I do find by adding a little bit of resistance, again, not very heavy, but enough, that I get more activation in my hip and my glute than I do without anything at all. So, honestly, just if you're having a hard time feeling your butt doing body weight things, add a band, just that little bit, just enough, and your butt will be on fire in a good way. All right, so a donkey kick, instead of kicking straight back, I'm going to lift using my hip and my glute laterally, okay? So be very careful here. You're not going to get the biggest height you've ever had in your life doing an exercise, okay? I want you just to keep your shoulders down, keep your core engaged, and trying to not pull the knee up, okay? Try to keep it here. Bring it laterally, okay? So I feel this all in my bum here, okay? And I feel this in my hip. So again, very slow and controlled movement. Squeeze your butt, bring it back in, and reset in between every single one, just until you get the movement down. Okay, so again, this is a hip exercise, primarily hips, glutes, okay? Again, when I do this without the band, I don't really feel much, I just don't. The second I put this on, the first rep I felt activation in my hip and my glute, which is exactly the point of the exercise. What I don't want you to do as well is make sure that you're not arching your back, okay? Make sure that when you do this, you're not leaning. So just because you can't get a lot of height doesn't mean you get to cheat by doing this, you know, leaning right over to try to get the knee up. It's not a competition. As long as you feel this in your hip and your glute, you're good to go, okay? So that's basically a fire hydrant. It's not a very big movement. Just remember to try to make sure that you don't pull the knee up when you go to do the exercise. Keep it exactly where it is and just move laterally, okay? Yeah, my suggestion would be to get a band though, for sure, and give this a shot. So if you're wanting to work on your hips a little bit more, this would be a great exercise to add to your routine, okay? All right, until next time, happy fire hydranting. That's even a word.